Hey everyone, this is Sky. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another cool keycap video for you all. It's slightly different today. I usually review one keycap at a time. This is actually a keycap set, and the cool part is they're stainless steel and they're also translucent, which means that the RGB from your keyboard actually goes through. Without further ado, let's get into this one. Alright everyone, so let's open this bad boy up and see what we have in here. So there you have it, Team Wolf Victory Desire. Not sure if that's like some sort of team or gaming team. Metal keycap, stainless steel, mechanical keyboard, a key. And the packaging looks pretty beat up. Well, I guess that's that, but that's the keycaps right there. They look very polished, and I'm guessing okay. All right. Oh, well, that came off. Let's put this to the side. Let's put the keycaps here. Open this up. I'm not sure about this keycap puller, but looks like it's made out of stainless steel as well. I've never used one of these. So remember, this has to be Cherry MX stem so that it matches. So just Cherry MX compatible. And as you can see, the light does go through. So that's how they're translucent. So I'm not sure, it looks like they have some sort of glue in there just so the dirt doesn't get in there, but that's definitely an opening. You could feel it with your nail as well. Alright, so let's put these on the keyboard and see how they look. Alright, so as you can all see, I already have my keycaps, which are these over here, pulled out, and I used my keycap puller, and I have the stainless steel ones, which I'm going to put right on the keyboard. So we'll just do this fast. You know how you always know the keyboard by heart, but then when you take the keycaps off, you actually forget where they go. So I actually had to put them in the same order to make sure that I don't screw it up. And guys, if you're interested in any of the other keycaps I have there, I have reviews for every single one of them. You can check that out on the channel. Now, as far as the stainless steel, I don't recommend this for gaming, and the reason being is when your fingers get very greasy, you don't want to be playing and just your fingers slipping off the stainless steel. Now it looks like they have like just tiny ruggedness to it. I don't think that's gonna hold your fingers up. If you want keycaps for gaming, you might want to go with a double shot PBT. That's your best bet. So this is how they are supposed to look, and let's see if they stay true to it. Let's turn on the lights. Wow, very nice. Intensified 1000. Bruh. Wow, there you go. They don't bleed a lot, so they seem very nice, very solid. You see the sound they make compared to the plastic ones. Well, that was that. Alright everyone, that was it for the stainless steel keycaps. They definitely look nice. They seem very sturdy. I love that they're translucent. Now, like I said, I don't recommend them for gaming. Definitely once your fingers start sweating and you're in the middle of a game or something, you don't want that happening. Now, I wanted to ask you all, please leave me recommendations in the comment section. Tell me what you want to see. I'll be more than happy to bring it to the channel. It doesn't matter what it is. I'll change it up, I'll switch it up. I just want to bring content that you all want to see and you all want to enjoy. Thank you all so much for being here. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. And if you're not, thank you for your time. Stay great, everyone. Have a good one.